Dave with El Granada Barbecue. We do Southern cooking with a California twist. I thought I'd give you a little tour of the smoker itself, but last night it was too dark and I didn't feel like dragging the light out here. Last night I was only cooking on one rack, this one. I had the others removed while I clean them. It's got a little drip tray that I like to stay over the center of, and then whatever falls usually catches in the little water pan. You fill this full of water or juice and it keeps everything nice and moist while you're cooking. There's a little catch tray. The wood chips fall in here, and you know, that's how they burn. That's where the cooking unit is. This is how you fill it. You just put them in there, and there's enough chips for a half hour, 40 minutes, something like that. And then we refill it as we need to. The whole thing's controlled by remote control, or we can control it up here. The glass door, we thought, what an awesome idea, but I'll tell you the truth, it's pure torture. You get to look at the food and you can see it's got a nice coating of smoke on the inside. I'll clean that off. Little water on a sponge comes right off the glass. But I mean, it's just so much torture to look at your food in there and think it's done. But no. So it's got a meat probe, and the main way you cook anything is by the internal temperature. And that can also be read up here. It can be read on the remote. So that's a nice little feature. It's a great little smoker. We've used it about 12 times and had total success with it from the very first time. And it's been a great little smoker. Highly recommend it. I'm going to show you something else too. Can you see that smoke ring? That's awesome. That's the smoke penetrating meat, and something that's highly desired and kind of tough to get. This is the extra breast I cooked last night. If I squeeze it, you can still see how moist that thing is. This is delicious. And better than candy in my opinion. Oh yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Ciao.